Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is August 13th, 2026, and here are the latest AI updates. Transparency notice. This podcast was created using AI. Twitch uses streams to train AI. Phones read sign language. RBI uses AI for wider credit. Mistral adds regional choice. This episode is sponsored by Rocket Routine. Run your company with an AI operating system built for founders who want to move fast without losing control. Twitch will use creators' content to train generative AI models for its parent company, Amazon. The change defaults creators into training unless they manually opt out, prompting swift backlash from streamers who feared hours of audio and video could feed Amazon models without their knowledge. In a stream with nearly 3,000 viewers, Twitch leaders defended the choice, saying nobody would opt in and acknowledging community opposition. Twitch framed the update as adding an opt-out setting. To opt out, go to Channel Settings, Security and Privacy, find Training for Generative AI, and toggle it off. Meta faces similar issues with public content. Google DeepMind has released SL2T, a multilingual sign language-to-text model now powering sign-to-text dictation in Gboard and live transcribe on Pixel 11, starting with American Sign Language to English. It lets deaf and hard-of-hearing users sign where they would normally type, for search, messages, or conversational replies, and testers find signing faster and more natural than typing. SL2T was trained on over 100,000 hours across more than 50 sign languages, with roughly a quarter in ASL, and translates from pose landmarks rather than video to protect privacy. The team worked closely with deaf partners and an advisory committee. More languages and devices are planned.
Ad break.
Your company has a strategy, but does it actually reach your team every single day? Most founders spend more time managing the system than running the business. Rocket Routine OS connects goals to daily execution using AI operators that work while you focus on what matters. Less firefighting, more output. Join the waitlist at rocket-routine.com. India's central bank is exploring the use of AI to approve loans that human reviewers would otherwise reject. Governor Sanjay Malhotra says AI could assess applicants who lack formal accounts or bookkeeping by using signals such as cash flow, electricity payments, and a business's digital footprint to estimate creditworthiness, and reach people and small firms currently excluded. He also sees AI improving customer service efficiency and enabling speech interfaces across India's 14 widespread languages and 8 others, helping users who cannot read or write. Malhotra acknowledged risks, opaque decisions, potential bias, and tech dependence, and emphasized that a person must retain final responsibility. Mistral lets customers choose inference region, Europe or the United States, and sells priority access. Regional inference routes compute to EU and EFTA data centers for a 10% surcharge. The guarantee covers compute location, but not all features. Only function calling is regional. Agents, batch jobs, and file storage are excluded. Account settings, keys, and billing may still be processed outside the chosen region. Zero data retention is a separate control. Priority tier gives queue priority with a 99.5% uptime SLA and costs 1.75 times standard rates, available by contract. Mistral also hosts external models like GLM 5.2 and seeks long-term European compute commitments. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.